Hello students, welcome to the class of Standard 5. Let's continue with the chapter number 4, Parts and Wholes. Now let's come to the next page. Here magic top is given. Let us make a magic top. So this is one type of activity. So children, do this activity. What do you see? Can you see all the colors? Write what you see in your notebook. So children, here is a practice time, a chocolate bar. Here is given an image of a chocolate bar. So Manju had a chocolate. This is Manju and she had a chocolate. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji. This is Raji. 1/3 to Sugatha. This is Sugatha. And 1/6 to Sheila. This is Sheila. She ate the remaining part. Here is Manju. She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? Right here. So here question is, how many pieces of chocolate did each girl get? Raji, Sugatha and Sheila. And second question is, what part of the chocolate did Manju eat? So we have to also find out the part of the chocolate which Manju ate. So first we have to count how many total numbers of pieces in this chocolate. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Manju gave 1/4 to Raji. 1/4 to Raji. And she gave 1/3 to Sugatha. And 1/6 to Sheila. So here 1/6. We have to divide this 12 by 4. Means 1/4 into 12. That means 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 4. If we divide 12 by 4, we will get 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So Raji will get 3 pieces. And then Sugatha, here also we have to divide this 12 by 3. If we divide 12 by 3, we will get 3 4s are 12. So Sugatha will get 4 pieces. And now Sheila got 1/6, that means 6 part of 12. So 1/6 into 12, 12 1s are 12. That means these both you should multiply and divide by 6. So 12 divided by 6, you will get 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 2. So here Raji got 3 pieces, Sugatha got 4 pieces and Sheila got 2 pieces. And what part of the chocolate did Manju eat? Manju ate the remaining part. So first we have to add these 3 parts and then we have to subtract the sum of these pieces from 12. So total 9 pieces are distributed in Raji, Sugatha and Sheila. So total pieces of this chocolate were 12. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So 3 pieces of the chocolate Manju ate. So here 3. So let's calculate this sum on the board. Here is the solution. First one, here is the calculation of Raji's pieces. So the number of pieces in the chocolate is equal to 12. Raji got 1/4 part. So we have to multiply 12. Total parts of chocolate is equal to 12. So 12 into 1/4 part. If we multiply 12 into 1, we will get 12 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. So 3 pieces. So Raji got 3 pieces. Now second, here is the calculation of Sugatha's chocolate pieces. The number of pieces in the chocolate is equal to 12 and Sugatha got 1/3 part as stated in the question. So total number of pieces in the chocolate is equal to 12 into 1 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 pieces. So Sugatha got 4 pieces. And now here is the calculation of Sheila's number of pieces of chocolate. So the number of pieces in the chocolate is equal to 12. Sheila got 1/6 part. So here we have to divide this 12 by 6. If we multiply by 1, we will get same 12. So 12 into 1 by 6 is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 2 pieces because 6 2s are 12. So 2 pieces. So Sheila got 2 pieces. Now here we are finding out the part which get Manju. For this we have to add all the pieces of Raji, Sugatha and Sheila. First we have to add these all pieces and then we subtract this from total number of pieces. So 12 minus here this 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 2 pieces. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 pieces. Not 3 pieces, but in the question what is asked? In question asked, what part of the chocolate did Manju eat? Here part is asked. Piece is not asked, part asked. So we have to here divide this 3 by 12. Then we will get part. So 3 divided by 12 is equal to 1/4 part. So Manju will get 1/4 part of the chocolate. Let's move on to the next page number 53. Here color the heads. Look at this picture. Here many heads are there. Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Total 15 heads are there. And here questions are given. First is color 1/3 of the heads red. Now here you have to color the heads with different color. You have to fill different color in these heads as stated in the question. Here color the heads. Color 1/3 of the heads red. So 1/3 into 15 because total number of heads are 15. So 15 ones are 15 divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 heads red. Then color 3/5 heads blue. So 3/5 into 15. If we multiply 15 by 3, so 45. 45 divided by 5. Is equal to 9. 9 heads blue. Now here are questions. How many heads did you color red? So here we had calculated. So here we calculated 5 heads red. So we colored 5 heads red. So here write 5. Then how many heads did you color blue? Here we have done the calculation, 9 heads blue. So here write 9. Now what part of the heads are not colored? That we can find out by subtracting total number of heads. We can find out by subtracting these 14 heads from the total number of heads. So 15 minus 9 plus 5 is equal to 15 minus 14, 1. So 1 head is not colored and here part is asked. So 1 upon 15 we can write. Now let's calculate this sum on the board. So here are the solution of this question. Solution of question A. Total number of heads is equal to 15. And here color 1/3 of the heads red. So 1/3 of 15 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 15. So 15 ones are 15 divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 heads are color red. And then second one, color 3/5 heads blue. So solution of question B is here 3 upon 5. Here 3, here 5. So 3/5 of 15 is equal to 3 upon 5 into 15. So 15 into 3 is equal to 45 divided by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. Either you can use reduced form like that, 5 3s are 15 and then 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 9 heads are color blue. Then number of heads left. This we can find out by subtracting this red and blue heads from total number of heads. So total number of heads are 15 minus 9 plus 5. This 9 plus 5. So 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Hence 1/5 part of heads are not colored. Now see equal parts of a triangle. Here two triangles are given. First one, the white triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. This 1, 2 and 3 equal parts. Fill each 1/3 part with a different color. So you can use any color to fill these 3 parts. Can you show that these parts are equal? Let's see how these parts are equal. Yes, this can be done by making a cut of the parts of the triangle by using tracing paper. So you have to use the tracing paper and cut it into 3 equal parts. If one part is placed over another part, it is seen that the first part fully covers the second part. Moreover, the second part also fully covers the first part or the third part. This shows that all parts are equal.